In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Gemini conversations as PDF with Canvas mode. Here's exactly what we're doing, taking a conversation you already ran in Gemini, your prompts and the results, and turning it into a clean, shareable PDF. This approach works whether you're using Canvas mode or the standard chat view, and it keeps your content tidy and easy to distribute. First, open your Gemini account and navigate to the conversation you want to save. Make sure the page shows everything you need: your prompts, Gemini's responses, any code blocks, images, or tables you want included. If you're in Canvas mode, confirm the Canvas panel is active and displaying the conversation you intend to export. Next, look toward the top right of the Gemini interface for the Share and Export option. Click it to reveal your export choices. You'll see an option to export to Docs. Choose that. Exporting to Google Docs gives you the most control over formatting and ensures elements like headings, spacing, and code snippets carry over cleanly. After you click Export to Docs, Gemini will generate a Google Doc for you. Open it once it's ready. If a link doesn't open automatically, check your Drive's Recent section or watch for a confirmation link in the interface. When the document opens, scan through it. Make sure your prompts and answers appear in the right order, that any image is loaded correctly, and that long responses don't break awkwardly across pages. If you want, you can lightly adjust formatting here, things like heading sizes, spacing, or page breaks, so the final PDF looks polished. When you're satisfied, go to the File menu in Google Docs and select Download, then choose PDF Document. Docs will compile everything into a PDF and save it to your computer. Most browsers place it in the Downloads folder by default. You can rename the file to something descriptive so it's easy to find later or share with a colleague. A few quick tips if anything looks off. Switch the doc to Page Setup to confirm the orientation and margins you prefer before you download. If code or tables appear cramped, try reducing the font size slightly or switching to a monospace font in the doc. If you don't see Share and Export in Gemini, refresh the page and make sure you're signed in. And if the PDF doesn't download, check your browser's pop-up permissions. That's it. You've successfully exported your Gemini conversation to Docs and downloaded it as a PDF, ready to share, archive, or print.